Welcome back to the Indian weather forecast. During the last 24 hours, scattered rainfall precipitated over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Haryana, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh. Dense to very dense fog have also occurred over all along Indo-Gangetic plains. So coming to the next 24 to 48 hours, scattered rainfall expected over Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, southern parts of West Bengal and Odisha. Cloudy weather conditions will appear over northern parts of Kerala. So now look at the features which are responsible for this weather activity. The western disturbance which precipitated scattered rainfall and snowfall over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal and Haryana. So coming to the forecast, the western disturbance will move towards eastwards. So due to this, cold and dry weather conditions will continue over Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi and Rajasthan during the subsequent 48 hours. The induced cyclonic circulation which was there earlier over Odisha and adjoining areas, now this is cleared. So during the last 24 hours, night temperature increased over Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand regions. During the last 48 hours back, dense to very dense fog have also covered over all along the Indo-Gangetic plains. So during the next 24 to 48 hours, the blowing of the northwesterly cold winds will intensify further. So due to its further strengthen, the night temperature will decrease over entire North India, including Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, west northwestern parts of Jharkhand. The cold wave conditions will expected over Punjab, Delhi, Haryana and isolated pockets of eastern parts of Rajasthan. The confluence zone which will form over central India continued up to eastern parts of India. The blowing of the northwesterly humid winds will merge with the southeasterly humid winds, so this will cause scattered or very light rainfall over West Bengal and Odisha regions because they are nearest to the sea. So rainfall occurs lightly. On 25th of January, scattered rainfall will occur over southern parts of West Bengal. On 26th of January, Odisha will receive rainfall. Due to the appearance of the rainy clouds, temperature will increase gradually over West Bengal and Odisha regions. The anticyclone which is over the parts of Rajasthan and adjoining areas, so due to the outward blowing of the winds which are heading directly towards Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh regions, so significant dropping in the temperature can be seen. Without proof, we do not tell anything. You can see the decreasing of the temperature in this map. So this will happen during the subsequent 24 to 48 hours. The anticyclone which have been persisting over the North Bay of Bengal and adjoining areas, this will move gradually towards Odisha region. So due to the outward blowing of the southeasterly humid winds will merge with the northwesterly humid winds, this will form a confluence zone. I have already mentioned this. So scattered rainfall will occur over West Bengal and Odisha regions, and due to the presence of the clouds, significant rise in the day and night temperature can be seen over these areas. The another anticyclone which have been persisting from the past 1 week back, it is very well marked over Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka regions. So due to this, South Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh regions have witnessed cool and dry weather conditions. So coming to the forecast, night temperature will decrease further over South Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and isolated pockets of North Tamil Nadu regions.